Hey guys, my name's Charles and today we're going to look at how to start affiliate marketing using Amazon. But before we roll the intro, please subscribe to my channel, it really helps me. Now let's roll the intro. So I'm going to simplify this for the beginners. With affiliate marketing, you need to be able to sell if not using Amazon. So products on ClickBank or wherever else, you need to have the ability to sell those. Whereas Amazon does the process for you, and this is key. You get people to Amazon, Amazon will do the rest for you. Amazon is a household name, it sells itself. You just need to get people to Amazon. The next great benefit to Amazon is you can sell products you aren't even pitching. You send someone on to go and buy a fishing rod and they can end up buying a golf club and you're still gonna get commission for it. One of the great benefits about Amazon affiliate is you've got 24-hour cookies. Now it used to be 30-day cookies, so people made fortunes, but they've changed this to 24 hours. So if you have a visitor that goes on and decides, I'll go away and have a think about this, and come back on in 24 hours, you are still gonna get sales, which is key. Because how do you expect to grow if Amazon isn't helping you to grow? And this is another great benefit to affiliate marketing on Amazon. Third tip, one of the great things with Amazon is that there's so much competition that it allows the beginner to come in and target niche markets that no one else has looked at. And that's a huge benefit. You can quite easily go under the radar and promote these products with very little competition. You might be saying it as like picking up the scraps that the big guys aren't interested in. Now, I know what I'd rather have. I'd rather have a lot of views to my YouTube videos or to my website, getting all the crumbs to create the bigger picture. Now, every single day, there is a new product put on Amazon. There's a new market, there's a new niche. And this allows the beginner to build up confidence in promoting products. Because after all, everyone has to start somewhere. Now, the final part of this video we're going to look at is you don't need a product, and that's what we're going to go into next. The brilliant thing about Amazon and not needing to own a product is it allows you to diversify so much into what channels, niches, anything you can think of, you can promote. Now, it may be handy to actually have the product, and you'll actually find that you'll make more sales by being able to do a review on the product. Like, I mean, I could do a review on this whiteboard. I think it's amazing. It only costs 40 quid. So, and look how easy it is to use, look how great it looks. Suddenly I've just done a quick review on this Amazon whiteboard. It's an Amazon Basics one. And suddenly, you could create a load of videos on this and you're gonna get sales. This is the brilliant thing. Amazon affiliate program is just brilliant for beginners. Now, the drawbacks may be, okay, you're not gonna make huge commissions like you might do from other affiliate programs, but you're gonna pick up a lot of 5% commissions. Now, if you're getting traffic daily to your website and you've got 100 products on there and you're making 100 sales a day and you're picking up, say, £5 per sale times 100 products, you're making £500 a day. Now, you're probably going to have to list £100 products and hope to get a lot of sales, but the results are endless. Now, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe, like, share, and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when more great videos are released. I'll see you soon.